What's up, YouTube family? So I just want to tell you about this app that I found out about today. I signed up today. It's called Flip. So I'm just gonna show you some photos. So this app pretty much you make money. It's like a TikTok shop, but better. Cause TikTok shop, you can post videos and you make $0. With this app, you'll automatically get signed. When you sign in, you'll get started with some money. So it's called like rewards. So they started me off with 821 as soon as I signed up. And the way that it works is you have to shop, post, and start earning. So once you make your first purchase, that camera is gonna open up for you to start earning. So you have to purchase a product, you have to wait to get the product. Once you get the product, you make a review and you start making money. Even if no one purchases your product, you still get money. You still earn money if people watch your video, which is pretty cool. Because in TikTok Shop, you'll create a product, people can watch your product can go viral, and if no one purchases it, you will get nothing. So I watched and I got $10. So it went from 8 to 10, and then finally my camera died down, but I have to prove here. I'm gonna cover my address where it says rewards. It says $17.99. I don't know if you can see it. So I got the product that was $29.99 minus $17.99, which was $13.99, and the grand total was $16 with the shipping, which was $2, and the taxes, which was $1. So I think it's pretty good. I got myself a mini mic because I like this mic. Oops, but it's like attached to my phone, so I don't like it. I mean, it's good, it works, but I want something like this. So this is what I got, and once I get it, I will review it on my page. So out of that $17, I have $2.19 left. Not sure how it works, why it didn't take the whole $20 that I got, but I got a discount, $17 discount. That's not bad. And I got one follower, and I'm following 2 people. So like right now, let's see if I go watch the video. It's at I'm muted. It's at $2.19, right? And it's gonna start going up. So the more videos you watch, you see it went from 2 something to 252. You see, I'm not even watching the whole video, so it went to 270. It's like live. So these are like rewards. 278. See that? I hope you can see it. And it keeps going up. So the more you watch, the more videos you watch, the more rewards you'll get towards your next purchase. So you can definitely, practically purchase the product for free. So let's say you're on Instagram all day scrolling. You're not getting paid, not even a penny. So this is good. I would definitely recommend this. So if you're looking for a little side hustle, try the app. I'm gonna leave the link in my description. You can check it out. And I'm gonna come back with a follow-up once I get the product. So let you know how's it going. I already posted my first video because first, in order for you to post, what is it called, clips, you need to purchase a product, like I said. So for clips, I already unlocked it because I purchased something. But for flips, I have to wait for the actual product. So you can't post a flip if you don't purchase the product. So that's why it's called flip. So you can flip the product, I guess. You purchase the product and then you flip it and you make money. So you shop, you post, and you start earning cash. So buy the product, then you share it, and then you start earning cash. Cash, I'm telling y'all, cash. So definitely check it out. Go to your earnings dashboard. I didn't earn anything because I just started today, and I already cashed out what I had for rewards. So I got $3 now. I went from 2 to 3, which I think is pretty dope. So if you're gonna buy something, let's say on Amazon, you can go here and see if they have it. Why not purchase it with a little discount? all you have to do is watch videos. All you have to do is like, purchase a product. They also have like a different way that you can earn. So let me see. So I have one post, and then I had some earnings, but it went away because I already used it. They keep sending me stuff. So I got $3. I'm about to get my $5 already just for watching. And then if you invite people, I already saved. See, it says I saved $17.99, so I'm not lying. I'm telling you the truth. And it's just in one day, which is pretty cool. A lot of these apps don't pay you anything. You can make videos and shorts on YouTube and you don't get jack, nothing. Sometimes not even a follower. Sometimes not even a watch. But yeah, I'm still getting familiar. So they have these 3 tiers. So the silver, you get 5 cents for every $1 you spent. Then you have the gold, you get $1 for every $1 you spent. And then you get the silver, you get, I already said that one. Platinum, $2.50 for every $1 you spent. And then the icon, I guess it's the highest one. It's on the house, so pretty much you get free items. You get $4 for every $1 you spent. So the more you purchase, the more you post, the more engagement and everything you get, the more money you make. And I think it's pretty cool. And I recommend it. So far so good. It's my first my first day, and I already got something out of it, because these apps want you to like be on them all day. They don't give you anything. So like Facebook, you can't make money on there. Instagram, you gotta like go crazy posting. TikTok, the same thing. YouTube, forget it. YouTube, you gotta be here for have an amount of watch hours. You gotta have an amount of followers, and you put all this time and effort, and you don't get anything. You gotta be on here forever. Anyway, that is all for today. And as soon as I get my product, I'm gonna go onto the app, review it, and let you guys know if it's true that I can make money or not. So far, so good. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up so that other people can see it as well. And everybody can make money. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.